And what's up, viewers? So today we be getting a job in ELRC, which is Bank of River City. That's what we're working at. And today we're gonna be delivering money as well, having a gun on ourselves, just in case for some baddies. Never baddies you think of, some robbers. All right, so let's get my uniform on, the correct uniform. I'm in my tie. So let's go get a security uniform. Let's get it started. Oh my gosh. Load my gun up. All right, get my uniform. So now you gotta wait for deliveries, which not one is available. So it's just at our desk. So our desk is all the way over here. So we're just gonna wait until another job comes in, I guess. And I hope we don't get no robberies. All right, so let's just wait. And got some more money. Yeah, paychecks are already coming in. So waiting for a pickup and a drop off location. The siren's going off right now. Let's see what's going on. Kind of getting bored of here, anyways. We got a commander truck, mobile command. We got some some smoked up police cars. All right, good start of the game. Good start of the job as well. If you guys want to play this game, it's called ELRC, which means Emergency Response Liberty County. If you want to play this game, you can. If you want to play it with me, comment below in the chat. All right. So, hope your job comes in, because I'm looking getting bored in here already. Let's go in the truck, I guess. Let's go sleep in the truck until another call comes in. All right. I see you guys when I'm done sleeping. All right. All right. We have a job now, and we do have a pickup site. So let's go take a drive to that pickup site. We finally got a order after I was sleeping. I was most definitely not drawing. All right. So let's hop in the truck and let's go drive over there. I'm not gonna drive safely. I'm gonna drive recklessly. But we'll turn on my lights. If we get pulled over, then I'm just gonna run away or drive away. Depending on the situation. Yeah, let me just throw this. It can hit a little bit. Like I said, we're reckless driving, so as well speeding. Recommendations for me. I know where we're going. Oh my gosh, he's gonna have a big crash. That's what he did too. He sucked at driving. Let's go this way. What's happening? That's a little bit of a glitch. Fine by me. We're close to our location. If no worries of me getting pulled over. Because now we don't care what they're doing to me. Or don't care what they're gonna give me. Still gonna make it to our locations. Like I said, I'm still continuing to my location. And the stupid idiots cannot do the things correctly. Bro. You see these idiots? Alright. Finally. A little bit of a fee, but it's alright. I have money. It's a little bit of reckless driving, let's do a little bit of off-roading. Here, these cops will not get off my back. Like, leave me alone. I'm trying to do a job here. Alright, so we're here at the location. Finally, after some troubles and so many annoying cops, I got the job done and got $4,278 in the bank of my bank. So, got one job complete. Let's wait for another one. we're just gonna wait here for a customer. All right, so now we receive another cash pickup job. So let's go get that. Yeah. All right, head into the truck. Go inside. And now let's do the order. It's all the way over there. Ooh, new drop off point once again. I have 5 guys, but it's 3 guys in Roblox, I guess. Delivery free. Really do it. No matter the money, I'm still getting more money what I'm supposed to get. So let's go cut through the corners and alleyways so I can get there faster. And no one can not catch me with the money truck. This car's indestructible, so it doesn't break easily. So do not worry about my crashes. All right, money in the bank. Oh yeah. All right, we got another pickup order, but the problem is it's at night, so this might be a little risky. So I got my gun out and ready to be shooting those people that are baddies. So hope we have some cops with us. Yo, buddy, don't do anything stupid, yo. Trust you, I'll pop you. That's not a threat. All right, I'm in Roblox, so not real life threat. All right, that's the disclaimer of today's video. All right, let's go. I'm running out of gas. This might not be good. Let's first get some gas first. Ooh, someone robbed the bank. I ain't doing anything about that, man. All right, let's get some gas. All right, we got the gas. $125. Not that much. Like stuff. All right, now let's go to the job. Might be running late, so let's go faster. Let's hope at the post office. It might be. Let's spin them out. Oh man, I thought it's spin them out. So my camera movement is clutching. It's lagging. So I will not be buying a car today. Sadly, but it's okay. You're on full speed right now. This is crazy. All right, this is the last step of the day, and this is the last part of the video. Alright. We have made it safely, if not even using my own gun, which is great. So this is gonna be it for the video. Hope you guys like, subscribe, and comment below what should I be doing. So hope you guys have a nice day. God bless you.